Welcome to 7511 Bison Place here in Littleton, Colorado. We're out in the Roxborough area of Littleton, and today we're featuring this two-story home with a 3-car garage. It has been updated throughout inside, and it backs to the west and has killer views. So anyway, this home also is close to shopping, restaurants, and conveniently located to 470 to get to the mountains. And also there's some great school systems all right in the area. But let's go inside and give you a tour of this great home. And imagine sitting out here in your professionally landscaped backyard and taking in those views on these fine Colorado days and nights. Well, this concludes the tour of this great home out here in Roxborough. And if you have any other questions, feel free to obviously always reach out to me anytime. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and RE/MAX Professionals, and I hope you have a great day.